Here is John and Jane. They both have similar characteristics, but one of them lacks a very important trait, a trait that differentiates a successful person from an unsuccessful one. They both wake up in the morning and work out, hit the showers, eat a healthy breakfast, go to work, do their thing, come back home, have dinner, and catch up on some reading. Both John and Jane are completing the same task, but Jane is more disciplined. This gives her the upper hand in being able to win at work and win at life. Jane's ability to complete these tasks on time creates an efficient process, and that's what makes her more successful than her peers. In business, the same thing applies. A disciplined, repeatable approach will always be a winner, but sometimes it's easier said than done. We get used to doing things one way and we stick to it without knowing that there is a better way to accomplish the same things. Let's take a service provider who classifies his business as successful and profitable. He has been achieving his tasks and goals manually. John is the owner of Acme Plumbing, Inc. He comes to the office on time. He sees his employees arrive and punch in. He checks with emails and voicemails. He calls and emails customers to schedule appointments, deliver quotes, and send job estimates. He schedules and assigns new work to other service technicians. He goes out to gather information for customer quotes and estimates. He arrives at the customer site, checks out the issues, and calculates an estimate of project cost. He leaves a handwritten quote with the customer. He'll follow up later to see if the customer has accepted it so he can schedule an appointment to do the work. On the way back to the office, he goes into a parts store, picks up a few parts for work that is already scheduled for tomorrow. He also stops by an office supply store to pick up new quote and invoice templates, envelopes, and stamps. Once he's at the office, he takes the receipts from the items purchased and puts them into a file. He takes the estimates he wrote up earlier that day and puts them into a bin so he can follow up on them tomorrow. He calls each service technician to ask how their work progressed and if all payments were received from customers. Business is great. He is a happy camper. It's 9 p.m. and he packs up to go home to his family. What if John's business were more efficient? John doesn't believe it's possible and shakes his head. I've been doing this for 15 years, he says, and I'm the best plumber in town. ServiceJan empowers service providers to work smart so they can earn more. And we're not only speaking of money, but also time, customers' happiness, and all the things that make life worthwhile. Start using ServiceJan, the only all-in-one end-to-end service platform for managing workflow from service requests to payments.